How will former President Donald Trump approach his defense after being indicted in a hush money case and brought before a court to hear the charges against him? That's not something that his lawyer, James Trusty, was keen on disclosing while interviewed on ABC's This Week. But he did speak about Trump's overall mood.
Anybody that gets targeted by federal investigators, by New York prosecutors, they certainly turn inward a little bit and think this is really bad news, this is terrible for me. But he very quickly pivots to the big picture, the historic picture, and I tend to agree. This is a bad moment for this country.
Trump faces 34 felony charges of falsifying New York business records to conceal that he allegedly ordered hush money payments to a porn actor who had damaging information about him right before the 2016 presidential election. He has pleaded not guilty. The case, put together by prosecutor Alvin Bragg, has no merit in the eyes of former Attorney General Bill Barr.
Falsifying a business record is a crime if it is part of a fraudulent scheme. And I don't see anywhere specified in here exactly what the fraud was. But there are a host of other problems having to do with the statute of limitations, his failure to specify exactly what the other crime was that was being committed. That makes this into a felony.
More serious, however, is the federal investigation that Trump faces for having classified documents in his possession, Barr pointed out.
The government is investigating the extent to which games were played, and there was obstruction in keeping the documents from them.
At this time, no more classified documents remain in the hands of the former president, said his lawyer, James Trusty.
We've been professional, we've been ethical, and we're satisfied that there's no outstanding issue relating to compliance with the subpoena.
While Trump remains defiant, substantial fines or even prison time can't be ruled out in other cases related to alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election result and the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol. Law professor Claire Finkelstein told VOA's Urdu service via Skype.
Seditious conspiracy or insurrection under the 14th Amendment, Section 3, would mean that he could not hold federal office again.
Legal experts say they don't expect a possible conviction and sentencing on any of these investigations to happen before the 2024 election. Trump, who lost the 2020 election, is again running for president. Veronica Balderas Iglesias, VOA News, Washington.